Welcome to the farming with Rasta. This is Ras Jobe. We're gonna do some cooking this morning. We're gonna highlight some Ackee and Saltfish. We're gonna use the ground provision that we plant. So we're gonna go and dig a yam. And after digging the yam, we're gonna go look some cocoa. And then we're gonna get the Ackee off the tree so we can start a fresh cooking for everybody to see. I am the only one gonna eat. You're not gonna be a part of the eating, but you're gonna what we do and how we do it. So let's go to dig the yam. Come with me. The yam here we're gonna dig today. Here it is. We're gonna see how far we're gonna dig for it. So this is the yam we're gonna dig today. We're gonna have a nice lunch today with this yam. So let's get into it. These are some of the things that I planted before. So I'm reaping now. What I eat is what I plant. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm reaping what I plant to eat. So that's what we are doing right now. Beautiful. Just white and fresh. Yeah, we have another piece down here. We gotta go for it. Here it is. Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna cover it. And we're gonna get food off it again. As soon as it starts coming back up, that's food for us. We're not finished yet. We're gonna a little bit too small. It's too small. I'm gonna cut this off. Cut it back up. Going to big yam. You can still find yam over so. So I could still can't. Yeah. So we get the yam. So now we're gonna move to the ackee trees and get the ackee from the tree so that we can continue cooking our lunch. So let's go move on to we're gonna pick some ackee off the tree, right? Ackee that we're gonna climb and pick some ackee off the tree so that we can cook. Here we go. I gotta get into the tree. We're gonna move on now. What a beautiful plant is right there, that's just coming out. That's beautiful. So we're moving now to find some more ackee. Get some more ackee off the tree. This is what we're going after. There's another ackee tree, but it's still young. We're still gonna find another tree to get some ackee. We're going to the other trees that we know. Not to find things to cook. That's what I'm about to do right now. To find some food right on there. A man can run the pack. So, what we deal with that? Yeah, next stuff. Let's see if we can get what I can off of it. Voila! Get this one. Well, it's not so much ackee season is going out now, but we're just going around so we can find what we want to cook. But in the meantime, we have a little rain coming, so it's rain season. Good planting time when the rain. So, when the rain season, we eat a lot. You have to find time to eat. That's why we're taking the trees. That's what we want. Yeah, we find some ackee now, so we're gonna get ourselves together and start our cooking. So let's move on. Yeah, we're going through a rainy season now, so we had a little dew a while ago. So that's the season. So we're gonna move on and see if we can do some cooking in the season. We had some more ackee, but we can't get what we can get. We're still gonna do our cooking. Now we're gonna cook a pot. Okay, here comes the sun, rise again. So we know we still can cook our pot. Some more ackee, but that's it. Here we gather all the things that we need to cook today. And here's our ackee. Here's our ackee. We're gonna cook it. That's what we found. Not much, but that's it. Give you a nice little look. And we're gonna do the taste. So here we go. Yeah, you are. See here. We arrange half a piece of salt to get out some of the salt. And then cook the saltfish now with the ackee. You put that in. So make him go and do him thing. And we'll cook it, cover him. Make him do him little cooking. And then in the meantime we can go and clean up them thing here. The scallion. Clean them up. You gotta be clean. There we go. I'm gonna get myself some more water because everything gotta be clean. Everything gotta be clean. Yeah, we just a check on the pot here now. Okay, and saltfish as well to be ready. Okay, cook. So gonna move the saltfish. Yes, sir. Gonna move the pot. Drain off the ackee. There it is. So we're gonna deal with the saltfish now. Cooling it down a little. This is the outside of the fish. Taking it off, make sure that comes off. Remove the bones. Just cleaning off the skin. Make sure they have the solid. This is how we do it. How we deal with saltfish. Make sure to remove the bones. Okay. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna rig it up. So we gotta get some of the salt out of it. So you do it in the water. Get most of the salt. Salt is in it. That's okay. This oil that I know, coconut oil. Doesn't give it too much saturated fat. It doesn't work like the rest of the other oil. It's very good. This is very healthy to use. So when you're using oil, try your best to get the coconut oil, because that's the best oil to use. So this is about health. So we're gonna pour a little oil in. Best. And this is pepper. Again, this is the most healthiest pepper to use. They call it the bird pepper. Very small. It's not like the Scotch bonnet, but this is the pepper to use. The Scotch bonnet will, eat too much of it will damage your liver. So, but the bird pepper now cleans the inside when you use it. So that's what we do with the bird pepper. This is our tomato. Just put in everything in the fish and then put in the pot. And then do a little stirring. And have the other spice within it. When you're in the bush, you gotta work with, in the field, you gotta work with what you have and how it is. So here we go, and we're putting 2 tomatoes. Very good spice. COVID-19, you use a lot of this. It's spice. So we're gonna cut it up as fine as we can. This is a healthy food. This is health food. And here we go. Finish the turmeric. Another piece. Gotta clean off the skin. Then you split them up. Try to get all the spice into one thing in the fish, and then put them in the pot one time and stir. This is your green onion. What we in Jamaica we call scallion. So this is your green onion, which we call scallion here in Jamaica. So we're cutting up everything in the fish one time, put them in the pot and stir. So just walk with me. So that's the green onion, and here we are. The onion itself, what we call onion, the one that burns the eye. Okay, this is. So we're cutting up the onion. There you go. Very great spice. It's rosemary. It's for making tea, good for the brain, Alzheimer's, dementia, memory. This little plant is very good in that. We have one more spice to put in it. This is called French thyme. This is what it looks like. I don't use a little fine leaf thyme anymore. I use this one. This is French thyme they call it. I don't know why they call it French while we're in Jamaica. It should be Jamaican thyme, but they say it's French thyme, so we use that. Okay, this is it. Spice has to come. The one that give you the spice. Lady herb. There you go. Don't want too much of the outside leaf, just want the bud. See? Just want the bud. Good spice. So we put it there. We go back on the fire again. There we go. Gonna prime the fire a little again. And all of the spice where we put together and the saltfish and all the seasoning, we're gonna put them in this pot. Here we go. Saltfish and everything. There we go. Put this here, stir it a little, get the fish and everything on the side. There. Set them up a little. After to kind of get this thing going, spicy up. Now we're gonna add the ackee. Here we go. And we're gonna stir. Don't crush the ackee, just stir that everything goes through. Spice up with the ackee. Okay, and we have one more spice. This is my spice that I crushed. This is the pimento. We grind it up. I'm gonna dust it in here. See, that's pimento. So we don't use black pepper. We use the pimento. The pimento is much different from the black pepper, and it's better to use than the black pepper. So that's what we use. Rasta cooking. The regular spice, we don't go with it. We change. So if you want to give it a little glory, just simmer a little. And that's your ackee and saltfish for now. We're going to do now, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to prepare the food from the field, which is the yam, the cocoa, and the banana. This is what we're going to cook after this now. So we have this ready. It's done now. So here, this is done. This is the dish, ackee and saltfish on the farm. This is what we have. So here is your ackee and your saltfish right there. Voila. The food pot on and get the food pot going. Let me put in a little bit more food. A little more so we're going straight to the, cook the food that we get ready from the farm. And we go straight into the... This is the food pot we're putting on right now. We're going to get the food going from the farm, which is the yam, the cocoa and the banana. That's it. So we're going to try to fix this fire. I'm going to be like a giant here, you know. And then get back to my cooking, my food. I say, but you don't know it go. If you have something I go on, I cooking at the head up here, so. You know, see, and just the pot alone and the fire alone, you have to put something up the fire up in the heads, up in the heavens. Get some meditation upon what you do. That's it there. So we stay. Yeah, man. Get this thing going. It's not done. But we are more somewhere there. We are going to work. On the ganja. Head food off it dead. If the head food not dead, the belly food not gonna work. So we need head food and belly food. Bush. So we're working at the bush. We're there near the bush and we have the food and we in at the farm. And them something that we do. Jamaican life, Rasta man, Jamaican life. Well, this is Rasta man after my life, this, you know. So I have some there, I do my thing. All the people that know me from foreign, I have some there, I do my thing. We have to step on the there, so I do my thing. Ras Jobe there, man. Good old. Yeah, man, see what ya? See all the worm I take a eat here, you know. See worm I get red. See him there? But you want to know, we have killed him because he should not eat off my herb. He should have asked me. Ask me for my herb. You don't want to take going on my field or take up my things. One of me are your plant. So if you ask me. So we get rid of the guys who are trying to do him thing, you know. We not spray herb. We look for the worm them and find them. That's how we do it things. See there? We look for them. Worm there we find them. So everything is natural and clean. We don't use no chemical for herb to kill worm. We search for them. Just like what you see I'm doing right now, we search for the worm then. If we find them, we get rid of them. Yeah. Here, the next moon to full, we take them out. You give them 2 moons. This first moon growing, this is the second moon we are now and they're ready to move. So when the next moon, when the moon full, to the fullness, we take up. And then we go ahead and eat. Gonna move this a little and then getting the food going now. This is the cocoa. Peeling it. So we're peeling the cocoa now. Normal. We have to eat. So Otherwise, I still always save a piece to plant. This is the yam. Just get it out of the soil, out of the earth, fresh, carbohydrate. So, gonna peel him, get him cleaned off. Wash him. We're gonna get it ready. Okay, there we go. That's the yam and the cocoa we're putting in the pot. That's it. Now we're gonna prepare now to put the banana. So we're gonna put a few seed of bananas in there, as you see. That's the banana. So we're gonna put this in. You can throw a little oil in there or a little bleach to get the stain off your hand. You don't have to damage your fingernails. Just a little bleach will do, or a little oil. The reason why I did that now, what it does now, when the banana go in, it won't turn the water dark. It just stay clear. The oil kind of cut the stain off the banana. And you get the oil into the food at the same time. And the coconut oil is very good for that purpose. Okay, coming to finish peeling the banana. Here we go. Banana. And there you go. So I'll go back to the earth. That's our food finish here now. So that's the banana and the yam and the cocoa. So I'm gonna have my meal. A little cocoa and a finger of the banana, yam, that on me. So here comes the saltfish. Right there. And a little of the gravy, the oil. And a little of the bud right there. So I'm about to have my meal. The way Ras Jobe cook his Ackee and Saltfish, Rasta style. So very nice. Ras Jobe style of cooking Ackee and Saltfish. Farmed Rasta, Ras Jobe shows you how we cook his Ackee and Saltfish. So you like and subscribe and look out for another chapter of my farm. Thank you.